First step, it's to import the expert advisor inside MT4. That is here, expert advisor, and you should see our expert advisor in that category. Or we do that, go to File, open data folder, MQL4, and select expert. You may have a long list of expert advisor here. It doesn't matter. Just for clarity, I made this folder empty, and now you're pasting the expert advisor. That's it. We're going to close MT4 and reopen it, and the expert advisor will be seen under this. We reopened MT4 and we see the expert advisor. Before we attach the expert advisor to the chart, we have to prepare MT4 for auto trading and to allow the expert advisor to function. So click on auto trading and go to tools, option, choose expert advisor, and make sure you have allow automatic trading check on, and uncheck those boxes. Click OK. Now we're ready to attach the expert advisor. With the EA, expert advisor, you received a key. I will show you where to put the key to allow the expert advisor to function. So let's attach it and put the key. You check, first click on the chart where you want it to be attached. Right click, attach to chart. Here you go. Oh, that's the place where you have all the setting of the expert advisor. I will come to that later. First thing you do, you disable the expert advisor, so it's not going to place order when you open it. That's the first thing. Second thing, you select Forex. And finally, here you write the key. Once you wrote the key, click OK. And that's it. The magic is there. The expert advisor function. We're going to, all right, it doesn't show you the buy level because it's too low. We're going to change this to daily. It's going to be more clear. I changed it to weekly actually. So it shows the level. For the last bar, let's make this nice and big. So that's the last bar, that's the last weekly bar, but it can be a daily bar, 1 hour bar, 5 minutes, doesn't matter. The expert advisor will give you the place to sell and the place to buy. So if the price goes down and reach that value, it's a buy. If it goes up and touch that value, it's a sell. You can make the expert advisor work on as much chart as you want. So this is a 30-minute chart. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to attach the expert advisor to that chart. Make sure you choose Forex. You don't have to enter the license key again. If you did it once, it's good enough. And boom, it worked. That's the 30-minute chart. If that bar, which ends every 30 minutes, touch 1.12094, that value, that's a sell. And it means that that would be the high of that bar, and the bar would not go higher. And if you can sell, that's a great. Now, if you want to know where to buy it back, you have to wait for the next bar and you will have a buy value. So let's take a look here. You see 112.10.4. Okay, this is 112.094. Why it's 1 pip lower? That's a setting of the expert advisor, because you don't want to wait until the exact spot. You want to enter a little bit before to make sure to have it. But that's part of the setting of the expert advisor. We will see that later. What we saw now, it's how to install the expert advisor and attach it to a chart. After, we will see how the settings for the expert advisor work and how you can compare time frame. Let's take a look here. I'll give you a small, oh, sorry. Let's make this one 30 minutes and this one 1 hour, just for the sake of the example. You see the target, you have the target here also written, but you can see them on the chart, it's better. So 122.05 is the hourly target, and 112.20, okay. 112.20 is the high target, and 112.09 it's the high target for the 30 minutes. That's the high target for the 1 hour. There is case that when they are similar, so it's great. It tells you that on the 1 hour it's a sell, on the 30 minutes it's a sell. Again, that's part of the setting of the expert advisor that can compare between time frame. It works with the daily, with the weekly, and on any currency.